Looking for this to come into this area. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Go in right there. Basically any movement up into this level, 87.50. Might want to give it just a little more room than that, but we don't want to be above this level here. You can see you have a low volume node right here, and they're having a hard time when they had B period come down here, and it took a while to get through here in D period. So I want to see if they can make any progress. Probably take one down in this area. And I was also filling these singles on the D period. And then I would be looking down here at this low. So at about 68.50. Take off these brackets so I can take the one. 27 is down here, right there. I'd take one set in here and then I'll hold the other set. That's at 77.75 right there. I like to go for at least 20 ticks. That would be here at 79.50. So you could put one there. I think we should be good down to our 27. I took out our first set there. I'm going to split these off so I can do the same thing. Once we get down to a certain point here, I'll keep moving that stop down, especially once we get down below. If we can get below this 27 ticks here, down in here, I'll be moving those stops down with it. So we got a pretty good spring out of this level here. I'm shooting basically for this low from the 9th. Let's see where the 40 ticks is at. So you could take one here too at 74.50. At the very least, you want to know where that area is at. That'd be my next area that I would bring the stops down. If we get down in here, I'll bring the stops down, secure that 10 points. If you want to check out Quantower, you can use the link in the description to get the free version. And you can also get a free 7-day trial on the full featured version. I'll also link my tutorial videos that'll help you set up your charts if you want them to look like mine. Right here's the 40 ticks, but you can see how this is struggling to get through here. See if they're going to look a little lower. I'll take another one there just because it's struggling so hard to get through there. Now we have the one left. I don't want to, I don't want to take this all the way back up to here because I could just as well get back in. If the F period pulls back up into here, I can, do this again. But it's struggling so hard to get through here that at this point, past the 27 ticks, it's just not worth holding it. There's the F period. This comes down into this level. I'll follow it right down with a stop. Yeah, you can see how this is just struggling too hard to get through here. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Take it right there at the 28. That was 28 ticks on that last one, 28, 27. We'll see if this pulls back up into this area. Maybe we'll hit it again depending on what it looks like. So I got 2 at the 27, 1 at about 32, I think. And then that last one was at about 28, 27.